I gotta give you one.
Okay.
I suppose.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank
Oh, yeah.
Superman. Show what happens when we fly. How about this one? Show me superhero face. That's a good superhero face. Ethan to the rescue.
Look this way.
Ethan, look at Gigi.
Look the other way.
Look this way. Superhero face.
Where does Batman live in?
Gotham City.
Gotham City. Is there something happening in Gotham City? You better
What?
go to the
Gotham City.
and come to the.
Rescue.
Well, let's go. Fly over there.
Woo! Go get him. Go save him.
I gotta go save you.
He's saving you.
In the fire. I can save you.